Hi everyone, I'm coming on with a different video today. I don't usually do unboxing videos, but it's very exciting, and this is a card kit box from Leslie's Crafts, which is Leslie Bromfield, and the card kit itself costs £20 and £3.95 postage, and I'm going to show you what comes in the kits. So, as you can see, it comes in a sturdy box in the post. It's nicely wrapped in tissue paper. And this is what you get in your card kit. You get a pack of ephemera, I can never say it. Oh, isn't that beautiful? Let's undo the pack. You know, the packaging on this can be used as well. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is what you get. So you get seashells. Oops! Seashells. And mermaids. And these are all done on cardstock. More mermaids. You get quite a few mermaids. Oh, look at those. You get absolutely loads. And oh, that's lovely. Another mermaid. Shell. Mermaid tail. Oh, those are lovely. Mermaid tail. Mermaids, more mermaids, and mermaid tail. It's absolutely loads and loads. I'll run out of memory if I show you every piece in detail. And a frame. It's beautiful. Then the next item, oh look how this is packaged. These are tags. So I'm just going to show you what tags you get in the packet. There we go. So these are your tags that you get. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's gorgeous. 5, 6, 7, it's a plain white one, 8, 9, I'm sure there's 10, but I think one's stuck together. 3. Yeah, it's this one. So you get 10 tags. Hold on, it's still stuck together. It doesn't want to. There. Ooh! So you get 10 tags. And this, isn't this gorgeous? Look at that. It's a shaker. Sea full of love. That's beautiful. And it's got the Nuvo drops on as well. And here we have shell embellishments. So you get 5 shell embellishments, and I hope the camera's picking up the glitter. These are absolutely gorgeous. These are handmade by Leslie, with a half pearl in the middle. And again, lovely packaged mermaid kisses. Now in here, what she's done is she's done a load of words, sea words that match the theme, and there's some blank boxes as well that you can use your own stamp on, so that's fantastic. Let's just get them out of the packaging. So you get 2 sheets in the blue. You can see the pattern on there. They're gorgeous. And you get 2 sheets of words also in the neutral colours as well. fantastic, and you just cut those out yourself. They're brilliant. This is your envelope pack, and this is your paper pack. Right, so oops. So you get your card bases, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card bases, and they all open this way. Plus you get your envelopes with your card bases, which are in here. They're the envelopes. So you get 5 cards and card bases. Then you get a pack. Look at that, isn't it gorgeous? You can see that? Starfish wishes. Then you get a pack of 6x6 paper. Oh, look, it's pegged on. Paper. So let's go through the paper. So you get this paper. 1. It's quite thick paper as well. It's not thin at all. That's 1. I will get there. 2, 3. Look at that. The texture in that print is gorgeous. 3, 4, and that's it again. I hope the camera's picking it up. It's a neutral. Number 5, lovely. Number 6, gorgeous. 7, 8, that's like sand. 9, these are like scales, but they've got the reflective lights in. The camera isn't picking it up that well. So it's absolutely gorgeous. And 10, look at that. It's almost like you can pick the gems off the page. That's lovely. So you get 10 sheets of paper. You get washi tape, 3 lots of washi tape, and there's quite a generous amount on there as well. That's brilliant. And you get a little bag of ribbons, ribbon and sequin ribbon, and oh, a resin fishtail as well. That's novel. Oh, that's lovely. Absolutely lovely. Lovely. Now, you also get a die as well in with this to cut your own mermaids. So you do get a die as well. And that's what you get for the £20 plus £3.95 postage. And as you can see, you've got a lot of stuff there. You've got all your words. You've got 2 sheets of words. You've got all of your ephemera all cut out. You've got absolutely tons of that. And it's all done on a lovely card as well. Lovely card. Your washi tape. Your 10 sheets of 6x6. Your die cut. Your ribbon and resin piece. Your envelopes and cards. Your embellishments to stick on. Sequins to use in your project, or you can use it personally. How I'd do that is I would take the sequins out very carefully, and I would use that to make a card itself. And you get your 10 tags. Yep, that is amazing for what you get for £20. And remember, your bags are embellished as well, so they can be used on projects. She's really put a lot of effort into these, and she's put a lot of thought into them and made them really pretty. You can even use the packaging itself on projects. There's been a lot of thought in these, and I think that is fantastic value. Now, what Leslie's also done is, like many other card kits, is she has done some add-ons. So you can purchase these separately. Obviously, it's just one price for the postage and packaging if you order all at the same time. So these are add-ons. So these are $1.50 a pack. Aren't those gorgeous? They're double layered mirror cardstock with glitter cardstock and a half pearl. And again, Sea Full of Love packaging that you can reuse. These are £2.50 and you get a bow, you get a fishtail charm, and that's like a leatherette, that is, and you get a fishtail there and some nice bling on the packaging. Did I say those are £2? Right, these are £2 as well, and these are to die for. These are gorgeous. The camera doesn't do it justice at all. And you get 3 rosettes with different mermaids and different sayings on, and again, packaging you can reuse. So this says Sea Full of Love, Salty and Blue, and those are gorgeous, and they're £2 for the extra add-on. Right, I'm going to leave all the details down below in the description box, so you can go over to Leslie's channel. I'll also link Leslie's selling page, Leslie's Crafts. So if you'd like one of these kits, or then she's sold a few already, so, and I know there's limited stock, so if you'd like to get in touch with Leslie, like I say, I'll leave all the links, but this is an absolutely beautiful, beautiful kit. And I will be showing different videos using this kit. I've done my unboxing video. I will do the 5 cards that come in the kit. Then I will do bonus card videos as well with what's left over, because remember, from what you've just seen, you get a lot of stuff in this kit. So I'll be making a lot more cards than 5. That only scrapes it, I think. There'll be a lot more made out of this kit. So yeah, so there'll be a few videos coming up showcasing the kit. And if you'd like to pop over to Leslie's channel as well, her video is coming out on Friday. So I'll put all the links in, all the prices in and everything in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.